Hi, welcome to another Eco Tips video on ecopenny. This time I'm going to review some Kleenex Eco toilet paper. So here's the product. The Kleenex Eco toilet paper I've bought recently of my own money. So, main difference about this product, it's got the obligatory cute puppy on the front, which most toilet paper companies seem to do. So the main difference with this one is it's made out of bamboo, which is a renewable, fast-growing plant product to stop using trees, and the packaging is totally recyclable. It's paper-based, so the outer wrapping and the inner tubes can be recycled, which is a great thing. So most toilet paper that you get comes in plastic packaging, and the more plastic you can not use, the better for the planet. There are some plastic recycling available, but on average only about 10% of plastics get recycled. So if you don't use plastic in the first place, that's a much better proposition. So the manufacturer claims on this one it's soft, strong and absorbent. So it should be the same as or better than standard toilet paper to use. So I better open this up and start using it. So this particular one has got double length rolls which last 2 times longer. It's got 8 rolls, 360 sheets per roll, and it's 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre squares of the toilet paper. So it's got a nice textured finish. So it's made out of bamboo, and the packaging and the inner roll are all recyclable. So I better install this, use it, and let you know how I feel about it. Literally. So the packaging's fully recyclable. The bamboo's also Forest Stewardship Council certified, which means the bamboo's grown in a sustainable way. Also, Kleenex has been making toilet paper in Australia since 1966, so it's nice to have a locally produced product. Oh, it's time to try out the toilet paper now, so excuse me. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I know toilet paper isn't terribly exciting, but it's great that Kleenex has made the initiative to make the packaging fully recyclable and to make the toilet paper out of bamboo, which is fully renewable, fast growing, and saves using trees, which take a long time to grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thoroughly recommend this product. I'll see you next time. So the packaging's fully recyclable. Also the bamboo's forests. Take 2.